the next 24 hours, I'm going to be upgrading this boat more and more until eventually we have a fully functioning boat. I'll even have a propeller engine on this thing so I can jet around this lake. But for now, let's try and survive this first hour on this lake, on this shoddy little raft. This is so hard to move around on. The wind blows it so easy because it's so light. I don't know if that makes scientific sense, but it's giving me a lot of trouble right now. It's the least comfortable thing ever, and there's barely any space to move. Like, I've got cramp in my hips. I'm really looking forward to the first upgrade where we increase the size of this raft. Oh my God, my hips feel like Marmite.